Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a group on the Signal Messenger application in 2021 on your iPhones. It's actually really simple and easy to do. Now, all you have to do is head over to the Signal application and open that up. Once you're on Signal, you just want to go to the group that you want to delete and click on that. And then what you want to do is go to the top where you see the group's name and the photo for the group. And then here, you just want to scroll down and you just want to see all the members that are in the group. So right now, it's just only currently me. So if you have more than just one member in your group, you want to go ahead and click on those and just make sure they're all removed. So since it's only me, I'm okay with where I'm at right now. But to delete this group, all you have to do is leave the group. So I'm the admin. So if I left the group, it would then leave the group just like this. And then once it left the group has no members left. And like I said, if there's more than one person in there, you want to make sure you remove those people first and then leave yourself. Once you've done that and there's no members in the group, you can then exit out of here. And then on iPhone specifically, you just want to start dragging from the right over to the left, just like this. And then you'll see an option to delete right here. So you just want to go ahead and delete after everyone's left the group and then delete, and that group will then be gone. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to delete groups on the Signal application in 2021 on your iPhones. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.